Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. So this is a full circle moment for me. My blue fescue that I grew last year from seed is now going to seed. And you can see how pretty it is, how delicate it looks. The one over here is just blowing in the wind. Let me show you. Look at that, so pretty. Now let's get up close and give you a better look. So this is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. I would love to collect some seed from this if I remember, and then be able to grow from my own stock. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Such a pretty plant, easy to grow, drought tolerant. Since I've planted these in the ground last year, I do literally nothing to them. And this year they just started taking on that blue color, and it's just so pretty to watch them blow in the wind. Now my blue fescue on the other side of the garden is a little bit different because it's been nibbled down by rabbits so much. It's not as gorgeous as the blue fescue over here, but I will show you the nibbled down fescue on the other side. But yeah, just so pretty over here. I love how this bed is looking right now. It's my favorite spot to look at. So here's my other blue fescue. Now they go in a hedge around this bed, not fully around this bed, but mostly around this bend here. You can see how they are much smaller than the ones on the other side. These ones get munched on by the rabbits non-stop. I do use a spray, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. They still get to it. And so unfortunately these ones aren't as big and beautiful as the others, but they will be. I have a few right here that are much bigger than these few right here. Those ones have been munched on less, but they've still been munched on. And there are a few more down the way. Let me show you. So you can see each patch of them and how they're so tiny and small. They've just been eaten so bad. Right there. And then I have some up that way, and they look exactly the same. They've been munched on. They don't look super great, but I'm still happy though, because despite the size of many of them, of the small ones, they're still flowering. They're still in seed production. So I am so happy. So here are my other two trays. They look pretty good. This one's looking really good. He's ready to be transplanted into their own separate pots. This one kind of got caught out in the rain with no drainage and still looks okay actually. So yeah, they're ready to go into their own individual pots. And then also, look, here's my heuchera. It's ready to go into its own individual pots, and it actually got a little crispy from the heat, but they'll come back. They'll start producing new foliage. But yeah, these are ready to get separated and put into their own pots. I just have not felt like doing it just yet. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about blue fescue, and I'll see you in the next.